Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Hbar video update. And yesterday we I talked about Hbar and the technical target of Hbar has already been met, and I told you that be very careful about Hbar, because what Hbar is doing is that you're going to be pumping up, but you're going to pump up and you're going to meet this resistance. So resistance number 1, resistance number 2 right there, and you finally went to the upside and you've already got rejected right over here. And that's played out. Okay, so that prediction actually played out from yesterday, and this is just a follow-up video, very quick one. Now again, what you want to see for Hbar is actually it pumps and comes down and move up, and this is where we like to say, buy the rumor, sell the news. I know there's rumors of Coinbase listing, and that's the reason why the pump happened. Now when the news comes out, of course you want to sell the news, because that's how crypto really is. If you want to know crypto, that's just the reality of crypto. So we're potentially trying to build a channel now for Hbar, and I think if things go wrong and you're looking for the next technical target or a buying opportunity, you can see you went down, came up, went down again, came up to the resistance, and it only makes sense if you want to continue with the channel, and that actually is to take Hbar down to 0.0482. so be careful, you might end up just coming down there, and you can see for a drop of nearly 17.81%. Now this is a TA, not a financial advice video, of course. This is for those people who love to trade and they want to learn even more, and of course it's all game of possibilities. But to me, this is a huge massive resistance. I gave you a heads up yesterday, and we just exactly hit that head here. We hit the head right there before, and we hit the head right here. It only makes sense if you want to come down and continue making the channel to have a little bit of support down here until 27th of October, or nearly the 1st of November. Bounce off here, try to move back up again to 583. And that's pretty much it for this update on Hbar. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.